If we want to add this text over here, we simply have to click on it. Then we can see that we are in the text editor widget. We can customize the content from over here. We can also use AI from over here. One thing that I'm seeing right now is that over here we have heading 5, but we can also choose it to be a paragraph if we want to. We can choose the drop cap like so, the columns. This would work better if we would have different paragraphs, like so. The distance between the columns, like so, the gap. Let's go back to one column. By going to Style, we can choose the alignment of the content like so, the color of the text from over here, the typography, we can choose global fonts from over here, or we can customize it from over here. We can choose the font family from over here, the size from over here, the weight from over here. We can transform it if we want to from over here, the style like italic from over here, and the decoration from over here. We can choose the line height from over here, the letter spacing from over here, and the word spacing from over here. Then we have the text shadow from over here. We can change the color from over here, the opacity from over here, the blur from over here, the distance horizontally and the distance vertically from over here, like so. And we also have the paragraph spacing. If you are going to advance, we can see the margin and the padding settings. Over here, we can see that the padding is set to percentage and 25 to the right. That's why we have this space over here. So if I'm going to delete this value, we can see that the space has disappeared. By adding it back, we can see the space over here. We can always click over here to check the tablet and the mobile. And we can always use history by going over here and history and go backwards like so.